Opposite words. Bad,
good,
boy,
girl,
in,
out,
happy,
sad,
hard,
easy,
inside.
outside,
Daily using word. Translation. खेलना,
play,
पढ़ना,
reading,
सोना,
sleeping,
पीना,
drink,
नहाना,
partying,
नृत्य,
dancing,
जवाब.
answer,
अब मैथ्स के अपोजिट वर्ड्स बोलो. लॉन्गेस्ट,
shortest,
टॉलेस्ट,
shortest,
फ्रंट,
back,
सेम,
different,
डे.
night,
The smallest two-digit number is
10,
a figure with three sides is called as
triangle,
a figure which has no side, no corner.
circle,
Which figure has equal side? Four equal sides.
square,
Which is the biggest two number is?
99,
Which is the smallest even number?
2,
How many teeth adult have?
32,
Good. Backward numbers बोलो. 100 to 91 तक.
100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91.
Good boy. 2 का टेबल्स बोलो.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 40, 2 8s are 60, 2 9s are 80, 2 10s are 20.
Tell me 3 का टेबल.
3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50, 3 6s are 80, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30.
Tell me 4 का टेबल.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s 4 4s are 60, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40.
Good boy.